In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the indefinite integral of x divided by the square root of x plus 1 dx. Now, we need to use u-substitution with a slight variation. Let's set u equal to x plus 1. So du is going to be the derivative of x plus 1, which is 1 times dx, or simply dx. Now, notice that x has the same power in the numerator and in the denominator. When you see something like this, typically you're going to have to do a u-substitution problem, but you're also going to have to solve for x. So if we subtract both sides by 1 in this expression, we'll have that u minus 1 is equal to x. So let's replace x with u minus 1, and let's replace x plus 1 with u. And let's replace dx with du. So we're going to have the integral of u minus 1 divided by the square root of u du. Now at this point, what you need to do is separate it into two integrals. So let's divide u by the square root of u, and this will give us this integral. And let's divide negative 1 by the square root of u. So this is going to be minus integral of 1 over square root u du. So we can rewrite this as u to the 1, and the square root of u is just u to the half. Now, u divided by u to the half, when dividing, you need to subtract the exponents. So it's going to be the top exponent minus the bottom one, and so 1 minus 1/2 is just a half. And this we need to move to the top. So it's going to be the integral of u to the negative 1/2. And now we need to use the power rule in order to integrate this. So it's going to be u to the 1/2 plus 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1. And then for the other one, it's going to be u to the negative half plus 1 over negative half plus 1, and then plus some constant c. One half plus 1 is 3 over 2. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1 over 2. And if you want to see the work for that, here's what you can do. So 1/2 plus 1. 1, you can write that as 2 over 2. And then just add the numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3. And so that gives you 3 over 2. And for the other one, negative 1/2 plus 1, that's negative 1/2 plus 2 over 2. And negative 1 plus 2 is 1, so you get 1 over 2. Now at this point, we need to simplify what we have. So for this expression, I recommend multiplying the top and the bottom by 2/3. And for the other one, just by 2. 2/3 times 3 over 2. The 3's will cancel, and the 2's will cancel. And so you're just going to have 2/3 u to the 3/2. For the second one, 2 times a half is 1. And so you're just going to have negative 2 times u to the 1/2 plus c. Now the last thing we need to do is replace u with x plus 1. And so the final answer is going to be 2 over 3 times x plus 1 raised to the 3 over 2 minus 2 times x plus 1 raised to the 1/2 plus c. And so this is the final answer of the problem.